Hi, welcome to our introduction video for Vava Vegan.
In this episode number 3, we're going to give you a background and some information on how we got started. And by the way, if you haven't already seen them, episode 1 is pita pizzas that we done on the grill.
We call it pizza.
Pizza. And episode number 2 is grilled sandwiches.
So for this episode, we're introducing ourselves, which I'm Chef Shireen.
I'm Ron.
And we're going to talk about our mission and history and inspire you to make the plant-based food change at your pace that you want to make.
Yeah, so a little history. In 2010, we decided we wanted to make some lifestyle changes, particularly with the food we were eating, for a number of reasons. For weight loss, and to have good lab results with our doctor, make sure we kept our blood pressure under control, cholesterol, fight off diabetes, all these kinds of things, because we were hearing great things about plant-based foods, vegetarian as well as vegan. In that year, we picked up this book and read it. It's called Eat to Live by Dr. Joel Fuhrman. We don't receive any money for this, but this book is filled with the science behind all of this, primarily the China study on the food and how this type of diet, plant-based diet, is beneficial to your health and to the planet actually overall. So in that year, we did a 6 to 8 week strict diet recommended by Dr. Fuhrman in this book, and we lost weight, our energy levels skyrocketed. We went back to our primary care physicians with lab results, and
they were floored.
Yeah,
they were happily surprised that not only did we lose extreme amounts of weight in just those 6 to 8 weeks, but those lab reports that Ron mentioned verified that we were both in optimal health. So we did go back to eating more seafood again and some lamb occasionally, but we knew the results and we were only eating those foods kind of for comfort and a little bit of the salmon for the omega-3s and the B vitamins. But then what happened in January 2020?
Then we had decided we were going to go 100% vegan, so that's just over a year ago now. So for the whole year 2020, we were 100% vegan, and we started a business called Vava Vegan, and with the intention of doing cooking instruction classes for people in our home. Didn't really work out as planned starting in March, but we continued to make the food for some other people and give some people some tips, and we started doing videos.
Right. One of the things that we want to stress here today is that we want you to take advantage of our 10 or more years of trial and error with testing recipes and not using enough herbs and spices or the wrong stuff, having things failed. We've got a ton of experience. Look at this binder, and it just constantly grows. I don't have enough room in our kitchen anymore. But the important thing is that we want you to save time, save money, and save frustration at the products you buy that are really not necessarily all that helpful, and to make it at home so that you can enjoy the maximum benefits from your efforts.
So what we offer, in addition to our free videos that you can watch on YouTube and I think the library, can provide you with tips and tricks, what types of equipment you should have in your kitchen, how you should stock your seasons in your pantry with the things you're going to be using on a daily basis, what places you can shop to buy these things. In addition to that, we will, by appointment, provide instruction and some coaching along the way. If there's a particular meal you want to make in your home for your family or for yourself, we will supply you with the ingredients list. And once you get the ingredients, we'll set up a day where we can do Skype or FaceTime or Zoom and coach you through that session while you make your meal.
And we're still offering once a week or almost every single week, we make a fully plant-based entree.
What are a couple of those delicious entrees?
Oh
we
my
make?
gosh, well, the main favorite is whole lot of lasagna. Yeah, you guessed it, we're Led Zeppelin fans. So we have
And the meatballs.
And we have spaghetti and meatballs. Those are a huge hit. We also have a Mexican lasagna, a mushroom lasagna. Our newest offering is jambalaya and dirty rice.
Just a few, but we'll make one entree a week, and if you pre-order in advance, then you just pick up at our door, and then you can enjoy that in the comfort of your own home.
Sorry, no shipping outside of our little local area. But the end all is that we want to offer you as much as we can right now, given all the circumstances we're all dealing with, everything we can to help you create and enjoy a fully plant-based, whole food diet to make the food in your own home that is smart, sexy, and nutritious. We want it to be easy and fun and to help save you money and to make it a wonderful experience in your life.
So check out the information below this video for how to contact us, watch the other videos, and please add comments so we know how to design the upcoming videos that we're going to put
Yes.
online for you.
Yeah.
That helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and
Bon appetit, Vava Vegan.
yeah.
Till next time. Till we meet again.
Au revoir.
Till we plant again.
Yeah, we're still making stuff up.